Hello everyone, myself Ravi Kumar Goyal. Today I will present the following content in my presentation: Introduction of 5G technology, Introduction of millimeter wave band, Challenges in designing millimeter wave antenna, Antenna design using CST software, and application of design antenna. So let's start. Let us start with evolution of mobile communication. As you can see here that 2G was introduced in 1990, 3G was introduced in 2000, 4G was introduced in 2010, and now upcoming technology is 5G 5th generation. The operating band for 2G was 900 megahertz. Operating band for 3G was 1900 megahertz band, and 4G was 2300 megahertz. And now 5G will depend on millimeter wave communication. So what is 5G technology? 5G is an upcoming 5th generation wireless technology which provide more spectrum, better efficiency, more capacity and new capabilities in mobile wireless services such as IoT, Internet of Things, driverless car, machine-to-machine communication. One of the key features of 5th generation wireless technology is massive multiple input, multiple output MIMO technology. That is, multiple antennas at base station focus to user device or mobile, and mobile is also focusing to base station using multiple antennas. So spectrum efficiency will be enhanced by using MIMO antenna, and speed will be also be increased. 5G will provide high data rate in multi gigabit per second. 5G will have very low latency around 1 millisecond. The main disadvantage of 5G is that it will be applicable for short distance only due to high path loss and high penetration loss. So to overcome this high path loss and high penetration loss, small cell deployment and high directive gain antenna will be required in 5G technology. The main advantage of 5G technology is that 5G will support for beamforming technique to overcome the problem of limited broadcast range. 5G will require a new network architecture which is also called new radio. 5G network will work 100 times faster than 4G networks. So 5G will offer downloading speed up to 10 gigabit per second, and 5G technology will probably come in 2020. What are the research challenges in the design of antenna at millimeter wave band or high frequency band? The main problem in designing 5G antenna are identified as follows. First one is 5th generation wireless technology is being proposed at millimeter wave band as the antenna size is proportional to the wavelength of the carrier. Generally, antenna size of the size is around lambda by 2. So at millimeter wavelength, individual antenna element are only 2.5 mm to 5 mm in size. So size is reduced very much. With reduced size, there are several technical challenges in the designing of circuit component and antenna. As you know that Friis transmission law states that free space path loss increases with the square of the frequency. So the main challenge of antenna design at millimeter wave band frequency is high path loss. So use of very high directive phase array antenna with beam forming technique is required to reach the end user. So directivity will be required very high at millimeter wave band, and omnidirectional transmission is very hard to achieve at millimeter wave frequency, so we use beamforming technique to reach end user. Antenna designed for 5G millimeter wave band is suitable for short range wireless communication only. This is the antenna which I have designed using the CST software in our lab of RF simulation lab. This is the top view of my designed antenna. This is the width of the patch. This is the W is the width of the substrate. LP is the length of the patch, and L is the length of the substrate. So I use inside feeding to impedance matching of my antenna using microstrip line. This is a planar antenna. I simulate my design using CST software. So in CST software, antenna looks like this. So this is my design antenna. I feed this one using inside feeding and so thickness of the substrate is around 0.8 mm. The size of the patch is 3.45 mm is width and 4.75 mm is length. I use the substrate Roger RT5880 which have the dielectric constant of 2.2. The overall size of the antenna is 4.57 mm by 5.90 mm. So insert feeding of 7.75 mm from the edge of the patch is used to match the impedance of the antenna with 50 ohm microstrip line of length 1.5 mm and width of 1.24 mm. These are the parameters and dimension of my antenna, design antenna. So when I simulate this design antenna using CST software, the return loss plot of my design antenna looks like this, and as you see here that my antenna will resonate at 28 GHz. So at 28.06 GHz, the return loss is minus 18 dB. So this antenna will be resonate at 28 GHz. This is the radiation pattern of my design antenna. This is the 3D plot, and as you see here that the gain of the antenna is 6.83 dB, and antenna radiate broadside the of antenna. This is the polar plot. As you see here, the angular width or 3 dB width is 82.8 degree. What are the application of this type of the antenna? So the design antenna will be applicable in high speed 5G wireless application where size, weight, cost and performance and ease of installation are main constraint. Satellite communication will require this type of antenna. Multiple input, multiple output communication system require this type of antenna, and we can use this type of antenna at cellular and personal mobile communication also, and military application also. Thank you very much.